It's not about only climbing the mountains, it's about the energy that you absorb from the mountains. And it's about the sharing of love between a living thing and a non-living thing on 8,000 meter.
Art in the easing also, but
To give something to the
At the top of Everest. On the top of Nanga Parbat.
you feel energy when you're on the top of the mountain, because I think that achievement is fleeting but the sense of achievement stays.